So hello everyone, today we'll be unboxing my new phone. Well, finally my Umidigi phone is here, and let's see. It seems to have come well packed. That was the outer casing, and this is some more insulation, and here it is. Nice box. It's sealed. It's quite small actually. Just about the size of my hand. Thanks. This was ordered on the 25th of April. And today is the 4th of June. They only sent it about 20 days after order because they didn't have stock. So let's see. I've been waiting patiently for it. And here it is. Nice casing, outer case. And I'm not sure how you take it out of the case. Oh, that's the back. I see. I suppose this is the screen. Oh, that's the screen protector. So that protector will probably come off. And link to the world. That's the key to take out the SIM card. This is the little instruction manual. And the charger is really small. Oh. It's a wrong plug for us, but anyway, I'll probably have an adapter, so it steps down to a USB, and that's the cable. So I'll come back later after I've charged it and set it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the phone now. You can see how neatly this I wasn't sure whether it was a part of the phone or a cover, but it turns out that it's a cover. It fits so close, so well, that you wouldn't say it is a cover. But that's it there. So it wasn't that hard to set it all up. The fingerprint scanner, it scanned the fingerprint a few times and it recorded that, and now it works perfectly. The battery, you get a charger with it, and the charger is made with the name on it, so that's very helpful because sometimes you don't know which charger is for which appliance, but this one has a name, and it also has the name on the little connector. Now coming to the sound. You have a speaker on the bottom, and I found that when you handle the phone, it always
Ladies and gentlemen, now the moment you've
you
all
see
been
the
waiting for, the
sound keeps
world
on,
famous Jack Rabbit Slim's Twist Contest.
sound goes in and out. So what I did is I made
One lucky couple
a special,
will win this handsome trophy that Marilyn here is holding. Now, who will be our first
I made this little holder for it, little enclosure, so that now the speaker, the sound comes out from the front, and you don't block it when you're holding it, handling the phone in your hand. You always got a sound coming out the front. So, at the moment, I don't have the SIM card in the phone because I wanted to get used to how it works and all the controls and all in case I missed calls with the SIM card. So this phone works perfectly as like a small computer that you can carry around in your hand. The charge, it's down only 74%, and today is it's about 4 o'clock in the evening from 100% in the morning, so it hasn't gone. The other phone, my previous phone, is already down to 13% and has to be recharged. This one doesn't need to be recharged. So that's it. It's I'm very happy with this phone. So let me run through very quickly the reasons why I got this phone and its specifications. As you can see, it has a quad-core MT6739 processor with Android Oreo. The main reason was 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of ROM with a battery that is 3300 milliamp hours and dual cameras, fingerprint scanner, and it is capable of operating on most networks. So for the price, it seems the best buy, and I have no problems with it. It has all the settings and it's easy and set up fine, and it looks great. I haven't yet used the cameras and I haven't tried to play any games on it, but I think it's very good on playing games as well, according to some of the other reviews. So I'll leave it at that. So thank you for watching. Bye.